Is your Deebot N79 constantly making beeps with a red light like this? Wondering what's wrong with your robot? We've helped customers with similar problems, so let's see how we did. A customer brought us a Deebot N79 that kept emitting a red light, even though the robot battery was full, but he trusted us to fix it. Afterward, we dismantled the robot to diagnose the problem. A faulty battery is the cause of this robot's problems, so we recommend battery replacement. As soon as the customer agrees, we fix it. But we're not done yet. Before returning to the customer, we do a unit test to ensure there are no problems. And now, the moment of truth. Our customer's robot is not just functioning. It's performing at its peak. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.